Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we review the latest and greatest tech tools and gadgets. Today, we're going to talk about something that we've all experienced at some point in our lives, the dreaded loss of important data. Whether it's due to accidental deletion, a hard drive crash, or a virus attack, losing valuable files can be a nightmare. But don't worry, we've got you covered with our latest review of Recoverit Data Recovery. Recoverit is a powerful and user-friendly data recovery tool that can help you retrieve lost files quickly and easily. And the best part? There's a free version available for you to try out. Now, you might be thinking, but what about the premium version? Is it really worth it? Well, we tested both the free and premium versions of Recoverit, and we've got some interesting insights to share with you. The free version of Recoverit is great for basic file recovery needs, and it's a good option if you're on a tight budget. However, if you need advanced features like deep scanning and recovery, then the premium version is definitely worth the investment. But here's the thing, we don't condone the use of cracked software. Not only is it illegal, but it can also be dangerous for your computer. Plus, when you support the developers by purchasing the premium version, you're helping them improve the software and make it even better for future users. So, there you have it, our review of Recoverit Data Recovery. If you're someone who has lost important data before, and let's be honest, who hasn't, then this tool is definitely worth checking out. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.